Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and rewards? Guys, this video is about don't bother forex expert advisor forex bot, and we are completing 4 months with this expert advisor today. This is a powerful and advanced forex robot that leverages real market mechanics to seize profitable forex opportunities. This advanced EA boasts a range of exceptional features, including these. I'm just providing you just a couple of features. There are many other features, but these features are most important to listen on. Okay, so there are like flexible risk levels, like where you just have to select the risk level that you would like to trade with, either high risk, medium risk, or low risk, and many other risk levels are there. You just have to choose the risk level, and it will automatically trade in on behalf of you. Okay, there is just one chart installation. It trade on 3 pairs. You just have to install the EA on just one chart, and it will automatically trade on all the 3 pairs. And it doesn't mean that it will trade all the 3 pairs simultaneously. No, depend on condition to condition, depending on the risk level you have selected, and depend on many other conditions. It will take the trades accordingly. But yes, it will trade all the 3 pairs by just installing it on one chart. Lot customization: in case if you would like to customize the expert advisor and its settings yourself, then you can customize the lot size. Like if you would like to trade with a fixed lot size, or you would like to adapt the lot size based on your capital, or you want to let the EA manage two lots to manage the lot size of your account, or maybe depending on your risk levels. Like it all depends on you. If you would like to set up the deposit load, like how much deposit load that you would like to see, or you can expect, or you can manage, so it has a customizable feature. Maximum lot size control that you can adjust. Drawdown management, drawdown control, yes, it is there. News filter integration, of course it's there. It has very advanced news filter as well. Okay, so multiple strategy is optional, that is based on your preference. Grid trading capability, definitely it uses the grid trading. Optional hedging, yes, hedging is optional. If you would like to trade with hedging, you can do. Okay, so you can experience the precision and the control of don't bother EA, maximizing your potential for success in the dynamic forex market. So you just simply choose the risk level and let the EA manage the trades for you. If you are just confused about like the lot size or the equity, or the or many other stuff in the settings, because if you see there are a lot of options in the setting, but if you don't know much about those, then it is very much easy to control this expert advisor. You just have to select the risk level, and based on your equity, based on your risk level, the EA will automatically manage everything for you. So the minimum requirement is at least 1000 US dollar to start with, US dollar, or like whatever you prefer. Okay, and the leverage, we prefer more than 200. Even it will trade with 1:100, but 1:100 we will only suggest low risk level. Okay, and but yes, 200 is better. 1:200 is better. And if you like, because there are some restrictions in various countries about the leverage, but if you don't have that kind of risk, the restrictions, then I would prefer to trade with like 1:500 or higher. But yes, it will trade with 1:100 or 1:200 as well, and even lower. But yes, in case of lower leverage, you need to put some higher equity in comparison. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. I would like, this is all about the expert advisor details. Let's start the video now. We started with 5,000 from like 22nd of May, and today is 22nd of September. 23rd of September actually. I'm creating this video on Saturday. Generally I used to create the video on Friday, but yes, anyways, I was not able to create it yesterday. So let's start it from here. Okay, so oh yeah, so like if you have seen, like there are just very few trades. There are not a lot of trades, right? So we completed all the trades of 4 months within few seconds actually. Okay, so we made a profit of almost 2000. It is not 2000 actually, it is 1935 so far in 4 months. Okay, and these are the running trades right now. So to show more details, let's go to my FX book link that I have created. Just give me a moment, please. Guys, this is the myFX book link page, right? As you can see, don't bother expert advisor, and you can see the graph that we started with like 22nd of May till 22nd of September. That is 4 months. Okay, and this is the journey that it has completed so far, with like 38.71% so far in 4 months, with a daily for 0.26%, monthly it is 8.27%, and the drawdown, the maximum drawdown, has been 15.09% so far in 4 months. This week it made just 1.83%. This month it is 6.61%, and this year 38.75%. Okay, and monthly wise, if you can see the gain, from June it is like 8.14% and 9.12% and 9.13%. It is almost like very much similar. Okay, so this it's like 6.61%. There is one more week to go, and we'll see how much it can make this month, right, by the end of this month. So guys, I will provide you the myFX book link. I have already provided actually myFX book link of this particular expert advisor in the video description. Guys, if you would like to have any question about this expert advisor or any expert advisor video that I have created in my channel, you are free to contact me via email or Telegram. I have provided you my Telegram address and the email address both in the video description. Feel free to contact me or reach me if you have any question, and I would love to assist you if I can. Thank you very much, guys, and thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please subscribe to my Telegram channel, and I look forward to talk to you soon. Thank you very much. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family. Bye.